Here I have Nokia T20, and today I'm going to show you how to enable location tags in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on these three stripes button, access its settings, and here you can find location tag, so save photo location information. And now when you take a photo, when you open it in gallery, you can see its location, I guess. Okay, so as you can see, here you can see my places where I took this photo. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.